Hi Taylor, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you.
So I hear you've been having some problems with memory. So
Yeah, a little
how are
bit.
you feeling about that?
It's hard sometimes
Okay.
to keep track of things.
Yeah. Okay. So today we're just gonna do a little test and see where your memory is on kind of a scale.
Okay.
So I'm gonna ask you some questions that might seem a little funny, but just answer them to the best you can.
Okay.
So my first question is, how much school did you complete? What level of education did you complete?
I've had my bachelor's degree.
Okay.
It shouldn't be that hard, though.
And what day of the week is it?
It's Tuesday,
Tuesday. And what year are we in?
2018,
Okay. And what state are we in?
Maine.
Okay. And I'm going to tell you 5 objects, and I'm going to have you repeat them back to me, and then I'm going to have you remember them for a little later.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Mm-hmm.
So the objects are apple, pen, tie, house, car.
Apple, pen, tie, house, car.
Great. And now I'm going to read you a statement and just have you answer 2 questions about it.
Okay.
So, you have $100 and you go to the store to buy a dozen apples for $3 and a tricycle for $20. How much did you spend?
$23.
Okay. And how much do you have left?
$77.
Great. I'm going to put 1 minute on a timer now and just have you name as many animals as you can in 1 minute.
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go ahead.
Cat, dog, hamster, chicken, rabbit, turkey, cow, pig, horse, llama, deer, elk, antelope, elephant, giraffe, zebra, hyena, cheetah, lion, tiger, bear, coyote, wolf.
That's okay. You can go ahead and stop. That was great.
Okay.
Now I'm going to ask you to name the 5 objects I asked you to remember earlier.
Okay. Apple, pen, tie, house, car.
Great. And for the next little test, I'm going to give you a series of numbers, and I'd like you to repeat them to me backwards. So, for example, if I say 4-2, you say 2-4. Okay?
Okay.
You ready?
Mm-hmm.
8-7.
7-8.
6-4-9.
9-4-6.
8-5-3-7.
7-3-5-8.
Great. Okay. So I'm going to give you this circle on a page. It's a clock, and I want you to put the hour markers on the clock. Great. And now I'm going to have you put the time to 10 minutes to 11 o'clock. Good, thank you. And if you could look at these 3 shapes here, can you put an X in the triangle? And which shape do you think is the largest?
The square.
Perfect. Okay, now I'm going to tell you a story, and then if you could listen carefully, I'm going to ask you some questions about it afterwards, okay? Are you feeling okay?
Yep.
Okay. Jill was a very successful stockbroker. She made a lot of money on the stock market. She then met Jack, a devastatingly handsome man. She married him and had 3 children. They lived in Chicago. When she then stopped work and stayed at home to bring up her children. When they were teenagers, she went back to work. She and Jack lived happily ever after. What is the female's name?
Jill.
Okay. And when did she go back to work?
When her kids were teenagers.
Okay. And what did she do for work?
She was a stockbroker.
Good. And what state did she live in?
Chicago, Illinois.
Great. Okay, and that's the end of the test. I'm gonna just tally this up and go over the answers, and we can get together next time and have a discussion about it.
Okay.
Okay? Thanks
Thank
for
you.
coming in.